Hello world, Shelly here, and today I've got another Dia & Co. try-on for you. If you're not familiar with Dia & Co., they are a plus-size personal styling service. You pay $20 styling fee. For that fee, they will send you 4 to 5 brand new items in a box for you to try on in the comfort of your own home. If you keep any of the items, they will credit back the styling fee to you, and if you keep all of them, you get an additional 25% off the box. Prepaid shipping on the returns. I have lost count of how long I've been with Dia & Co. I've been getting a box from them every other month for over 5 years now. It's probably like 6 or 7 years now. It's been a very long time. So let's dive into this box, shall we? One thing I like is they tend to keep you with the same stylist. You put in your feedback every box whether you want to keep the same stylist or try someone new, or if you don't have a preference. I think I've been being passed along to new stylists recently, and I'd have to go back and check because I think I have another new one. This box is curated by Megan, and it doesn't seem familiar to me, so I don't think my last box was by Megan. And most of the time I will be with the same stylist for a year, as long as they're still with the company, and I've been very happy with this. Now, granted, even when they pass you along to a new stylist, they have all your notes, they have all your feedback. I give them a Pinterest board of styles that I'm interested in terms of what my aesthetic preferences are and things. So they do a ton of research anyway in order to match you up with the clothing items that they send to you. So let's dive into this box. For all of the tops, which I have requested tops primarily, I like a pair of jeans in there as well, but I use tops mostly for work. Now that I'm back on campus and I wear jeans just about every single day, so all of the tops I'm showing are wearing the jeans that came in this box. They're cut from the cloth. This is the Clark Boyfriend jean, size 18. The rise on this is higher than I like. I am a mid to low rise person just based on where I wear my weight. I have a hard time pulling higher rise pants up over my spare tire. Now, these, I was able to pull them all the way up because I've lost a little bit of weight, and maybe I could even size down. I don't know. I'm not ready to try that yet. But these are size 18, retail price $79. I like this brand of jeans. I have had good luck with them in the past. I like a boyfriend cut. I wear all the kinds of jeans. Skinny jeans, boyfriend jeans, you name it. I like it. I'm a jeans kind of girl. The top I am wearing with this is from, which one is this? Here we go. From Molly and Isadore. Oh, I love this brand. I have so much of their stuff now. This is the Macy featherweight long sleeve top in black, size 2X, retails for $35. This is super soft, but it's not that clingy, slinky material. It's like super soft featherweight material. I don't like things that cling to me. However, I really like the cuff on the sleeves. It's not too tight, so it's not uncomfortable, but it does give sort of a more finished look to the top, a little bit more polish, if you will. I am a big fan of black clothing, even though I always have cat hair on me, but blacks are kind of my wardrobe basics, and every winter I basically request more black clothes. So thank you, Megan, because this is good. Ziva is scratching my chair right now. Bad Ziva. It's vinyl. Not good to be scratching. All right, next outfit. Same jeans. In this case, I'm wearing the Plus Amelia V-neck sweater in size 1X. I'm wearing a 1X, you guys. I can't even believe it. Retails $69.99. And okay, several things I enjoy about this sweater. It's got that high-low kind of a cut, which doesn't always work for me because I don't like my belly to show at all. However, the low in the front is not too low in this case, so it works really well. I can wear this. It is very nice. I love the glitter piping detail around the neckline. It is super pretty. It's super, super, super soft. It is not a scratchy sweater. Sometimes these styles of sweaters are scratchy. This is not. But my absolute favorite thing about this sweater is the color combination. They have combined warm and cool. We've got the warm yellow tones for fall with a pop of pink, and it's just such a rare combination. And you know I love unique, interesting, rare kinds of things. I love it. I absolutely love it. I think this is a fantastic sweater. I'm super stoked about this sweater. I don't think I've ever seen anything quite like it. Ziva, get down. Oh my goodness, you guys. This is my life. Bravo on the sweater. All right. Next, we have one more top, and it's the one I'm wearing right now, and it falls right in line. If you guys saw my Flower Beauty video where they did the Never Been Kissed sort of curated line by Drew Barrymore, and I was talking about ditzy flowers, and that's when I got into wearing like ditzy florals, and look, it's totally 90s, and I love it. I love it. I love it. This top is from Mary Skye. It is the Robin Henley top in black and charcoal gray, size 2X. I love the button detail down the front. It is super comfy. Is it pajamas? Is it a top? Nobody knows. It feels like pajamas, but you can dress it up and wear it as a top, and those are the kinds of clothes I love. So super stoked about this top. Love it, love it, love it. It falls right in line with my 90s inner child. Last item, we have a dress from Joan Vast. It is the Aura 3/4 sleeve knit dress in burgundy, size 2X, retail $39. I might even have been able to size down in this one. I hesitate to size down because you never really know if my weight loss is permanent or temporary. It's usually temporary. So, you know, we just roll with it. We roll with it, you guys. I love dresses like this. I call them secret pajamas because they feel like you're wearing your pajamas. They look like you tried, like you got a little gussied up. Gussied up. When did that word is from like decades ago. Like, where did that word come from in my brain? I'm wearing it with a belt in the beginning of this clip, and then I take the belt off and show you sort of, you can dress it up, you can dress it down. Your shoes are going to really make a difference as to whether it's dressed up or dressed down. I dressed it down, obviously, with my Vans in this case, but these dresses are so comfortable, and you can turn them into something very pretty looking. They're universally flattering because they don't cling to anything. They're very flowy, very comfortable. I love these kinds of dresses, and this one's beautiful. It is comfortable, and it is soft, and it is a pretty color. I love this color for fall, and bravo. I'm a fan. You can also wear tights underneath these dresses in the winter when it gets chilly out, so it's just so versatile, so easy for work, so easy to go out the door. You throw it on over your head and run, and you're good. That's what I like. I'm not about the high maintenance life. I know I wear makeup, but I put my makeup on and I don't touch it the rest of the day. Like, I'm not about the high maintenance life. I'm low maintenance kind of girl. I like my stuff, but I'm low maintenance. So, if you haven't guessed already, do you think I'm going to keep everything in this box? Yeah, I'm going to keep it. So if I add up all of the items in this box, the total retail is $261.99. If you keep anything in the box, you get that $20 styling fee credited back. And if I keep the full box, I would get 25% off, which would be a discount of $65.50. So for all 5 items, if I were to keep the whole box, it is $176.49 plus tax. And surprise, I'm keeping it all. Took the tags off of this one and everything. There you have it. Yet another Dia & Co. plus size styling try-on box. If you enjoyed these sort of fashion lookbook kinds of videos, give me a thumbs up down below. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 9 p.m. Eastern Time. And as always, thanks a lot for taking some time out of your day to geek out over fashion with me. I appreciate your time, and I hope you guys all have an awesome day or night wherever you are in the world. Take care of each other. Bye-bye.